Today we're going to be doing an intro video on ARP's LB7 valve cover bolt kit. LB7 valve covers are a two-piece design. You've got a top cover and you've got a bottom cover. If you've ever worked on an LB7 before, you know that the bolts that hold these two valve covers on are absolute junk. They are Allen headed, they round off, they break, they snap. You wind up having to put extractors on them to get them out because they round off inside. They're just a really, really bad design, and there's several of them in each valve cover for both sides. So ARP has come up with a fix for that. They have a bolt kit for the LB7 valve covers. This is the 6-point version. I will talk a little bit about that, but this is ARP part number 1007532. This ARP kit, LB7 kit, is, if you're doing a lot of LB7 injector installs on your personal vehicle, this is definitely going to be the way to go if you think you're going to have the valve covers off and on. Really, really good unit. Of course, we know ARP makes, you know, the best bolts out there. This is the 6-point version because I like 6-point fasteners. You can get these in 12-point as well if you'd rather have the 12-point. This full kit does both size, both valve covers. You can get these in chrome as well, I guess, if you've got or stainless steel, if you've got a show motor or something like that, and just want to upgrade the material. So ARP bolts, this is just a nice fix for a common problem with the LB7 valve covers. Get a set of these bolts. I promise you, you will not be sorry for it. So again, ARP part number 1007532. This only works for the LB7 01 to 2004 Chevrolet Duramax motors.